To set voicemail on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all open the phone dialer. Now we have to click on the three dots, go to the settings, and we can find two options. The first thing that we can set is direct voicemail. We have to just turn it on, and what we can do. First of all, we can enable that option to auto send to the voicemail after a specific time. So basically we can set the amount of rings before it will be moved into the voicemail. So we can find three options, 5, 10 or 20 seconds, or we can even get a custom time. As you can see, we cannot go over 20 seconds. The 20 seconds are actually maximum, but we can set, for example, a 15 seconds. And right now we can go back from this one, and also we can get the voice transcription, so we can view what callers are saying while recording voicemail. And now by going to the voicemail settings, they are available here. First of all, as you can see, for me there's no any phone number because I didn't input my SIM cards. But if you input the SIM card, then the phone number will be automatically linked, and you should find here some kind of the number. And now when you go back from this one, you will have to call into your voicemail by clicking and holding that one key, because as you can see, this button is linked to the voicemail, and when you go for the speed dial numbers, you can see that is linked to the voicemail. And now once you actually can click and hold it, you will just call to your voicemail, and you will have to first of all set it up. So it actually depends of your service provider, of your carrier, but you will have to input some kind of the password, or if you don't have a password on your service provider, or for example you already set up your voicemail on other device and now you want to just activate this back on your phone, you will have to, for example, select a greeting, record a greeting, and then basically you will have to hear for all of those prompts that you will hear during this call to the voicemail. So I cannot show you exactly how to do this because there's like multiple voicemails, multiple service providers, and there's no way to show this in the one video, but just basic tips how can actually reach this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find it useful.